We're excited to announce some updates to the production capabilities of our Sales Plus package. Users can now schedule jobs right after contracts are signed by customers or reach accepted status. Let's take a closer look at this new feature. Let's navigate over to the contract section and find a contract in accepted status. Click the chevron to expand the row, then select Schedule Production. This will open the scheduling window, where you can set start ETAs, start dates, and completion dates. You also have the option to notify your customers when you intend to start the work. Once done, click Save. Now let's head over to the production calendar where you can see your scheduled jobs, giving you quick insight into your production schedule. You also have the option to click on this event to adjust your dates as needed. We hope this update helps you manage your scheduling needs more efficiently.